Still holding onto that trusty PS2 keyboard or mouse but frustrated by modern PCs that only offer USB ports? The Monoprice PS2 keyboard, mouse to USB converter adapter solves this exact problem, effortlessly bridging old tech with new systems. Imagine keeping your favorite keyboard or mouse without upgrading or replacing them. This adapter makes that possible, turning legacy devices into USB-compatible tools with zero hassle. I've tested several PS2 to USB adapters before, and honestly, most come with frustrating quirks, double letters, stuck keys, or connection drops. But the Monoprice adapter stands apart. Just plug it in, and it works perfectly every time. I even use an IBM Model M keyboard, notorious for compatibility headaches, and this adapter handled it flawlessly. No drivers, no software, no fuss. It's reliable, straightforward, and surprisingly affordable, especially compared to pricier alternatives that often underperform. What you get is simple: a black, compact converter that connects your PS2 keyboard and/or mouse to any USB-enabled PC. It's also ideal if you're using a KVM extender setup, letting you keep your preferred PS2 peripherals with USB KVM switches. The value here is clear. Why spend more when this $2 adapter does exactly what you need, without glitches or delays? If you're looking to keep your legacy devices working seamlessly with modern computers, this adapter is worth a look. Try it when you're ready, and keep your favorite peripherals in action without compromise.